Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this video, we want to work on walks, especially foot position for the follower.
If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so you have notifications every time we upload a new video. Every week, we are putting new content for you.
If you are ready, let's go to the video. So we are going to embrace, feel each other, walking, connecting with the leader, extending the legs, and then transfer body weight, extension on the legs, transfer body weight, extension, and feeling the timing without anticipating. How to do that? For the followers, the most important is to place the leg. I'm talking about my right leg going back, which is a different work than the left. Opening the hips position to avoid this or this. So I like to reach the floor with the big toe. Wait for him to push. When he's pushing, I go to the ball of the foot, but still I'm not down on the heel or lower in the position. I try to have the feeling or the energy lift against the leader to feel next step. Transition to the left leg for the follower. Again, this is opening, waiting for the leader to transfer weight. And all the time I'm feeling like I'm walking on ball of a foot. So I'm extending. The right leg is a little larger, moves, because the line of dance, and opening the hips. So then we go, feeling the little push from the leader. And now the left leg is always a little shorter and higher position. See, you will notice that when you walk, keeping the line of dance. So let's keep walking here again. Larger on my right position. Open the foot to do the left leg. If you notice, I can do this larger. And the left is shorter. Look if I try to go larger. I get away from him and I have to open the embrace.
Especially from the close side of the embrace, it's tougher.
Close side is my left leg. So my left leg is always more lifting, waiting for him here to extend. Of course, I'm following his lead to extend more or less. If he's a little more up, this is shorter for me. Once he extends his leg, I can slide and make a larger step on my right. So depending on his lead, I go up this position, 2 feet together, and feel the other leg to keep going back. So mostly for the followers, the walk is positioning your foot, opening the hips, and then I will not go from the front leg to the back, down. I will suspend myself in the middle, going to the leg, in the middle here, waiting for the leader to keep going, and then I will collect and extend the leg. Waiting for the leader to keep going, suspending myself up here to go to the next position. Okay, let me show you from the other angle so you will see how it works, right leg compared with the left leg. So let's keep the close embrace, and we walk a little larger, shorter, opening from the hips, lifting, sliding, lifting, sliding, lifting, opening your foot, walk on ball of your foot, and mostly I will never go down to my heel. It's all up here. Lifting, 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 also lifting your torso.
Very, very good. So it is very, very important, this technique for the follower. Also, something that I feel from her is that she, during the walk, she's always giving me a little bit of resistance. She's not leaning towards me in a heavy way, So she's a little bit giving me a little bit of resistance. So every time that I step, I'm in charge of transferring her body weight. She's not doing it. If I rewind, she's not doing it on her own like this. Tack, attack, and then we lose connection. Yep. So we as leaders, we are in charge of transferring her body weight. Followers should wait for that. Now, before we finish, I would like to announce that we have our own Tango training app.
We are proud to present to you our new tango training app.
This is a tango training app designed for your device to facilitate the learning of Argentine tango. This app is good if you are a beginner, if you are an intermediate dancer, or also if you are an advanced or professional.
Once you open the app, you will find instructional videos divided in different categories. Tango fundamentals, tango, vals, milonga.
Also, you will have our newest addition, interactive tango drills, followers styling with Miriam, leaders technique with me, choreographies using social dancing steps, so you can use it at the milonga right away.
Also historical tango videos and music playlist. This app has wonderful features. Unlimited access, 2 videos every week.
Also the possibility to download the videos for offline access with material for beginners, intermediate and advanced level.
You can do the classes by yourself, that is solo classes. Also, you can do it with a partner. We have 3 cameras filming, so you can see the steps from 3 angles.
While you are watching the videos, for your convenience, you can change the playback speed, slower or faster at your convenience. This will allow you to learn at your own pace and follow step by step all the classes.
Also, you can cancel the subscription at any time.
How you can access to all this content? You will have options for subscriptions monthly or yearly inside the app, or if you don't want the commitment of a membership, you have the possibility to purchase each course directly, one-time payment, and have it for a lifetime.
To get the app, go to Play Store or Apple Store and download Tango Training app.
We are looking forward to start working with you and be your tango instructors.
Now it is time for you to start dancing.
See you in class.
Bye.
Bye.